Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Hi guys, I hope everyone is well today. This is a subscriber request. You know who you are. And I want you guys to know if there's anything that I can do for anyone, give me a comment, I'll read it, and I will do it. This lady has actually asked me this 4 or 5 times, and she should have not had to do that. And what she wanted to know, guys, is how to make pinwheel fried chicken. These are considered pinwheels, guys, little small pieces of chickens. Some people call them wingdings. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to fry these up today. I'm going to season them and show you guys what to do. Okay? All right. What I'm going to do, I rinsed these off, guys, put a little lemon juice and vinegar on them, and I cleaned them up. I'm going to take and put some black pepper. Okay? Then after I put the black pepper, I'm going to use a lot of garlic powder. I'll just pour it in there like this, guys. Then I want to use a little garlic salt because she wants the garlic taste on her chicken, guys. Okay, so we're putting a little bit of this on there. And then I'm going to put a little Lawry seasoning salt. And that's all you will need, guys, to put on this chicken. And we're going to mix it around. And I'm going to put them into a bowl. See, this is all you want to do. Get your hands into it and mix it up. Okay? All right, guys, I'm going to get my flour. And we're going to put these into the hot grease. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I put some flour into a Ziploc bag. And I'm going to drop some of these legs down in there, which are called pinwheels, chicken legs. And we're going to shake them up, just like that. We're waiting on our grease to get hot, guys. I'm going to put this on the medium heat. I had some heat cooking it up. Let's see. Okay, we're testing the flour. And I think this baby is ready to go. Okay, guys. So now watch what I do here. This is not a lot of grease. A little bit of grease. Okay? And we're just going to put it down in there. Just like that. I'm going to take some more and put them down in here. Shake it up. Okay? Now we're going to let these babies fry up about 5 minutes on each side, and we'll flip them over, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, this person that I'm frying this chicken for, and yep, I'm using my YouTube channel today to do it. See how beautiful that is? They're afraid of the grease. So I chose to use a little bit of oil so they can see that they still can fry chicken. We're going to start by turning this one over. See that? That's 5 minutes on that side. So we're turning it over. Now we're turning this over, guys. This chicken is smelling amazing. And we're turning this over. You don't have to always use a lot of oil. Okay? And we're turning it over. And look at that. Now, 5 minutes again, and we'll flip them back over again, guys. And I'll show you how to make the best pinwheel wing fried chicken you ever had. Okay? I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys, to flip them back over. All the way in. All right, guys, you see this? We're going to flip it again. Flip it back over. And this is what you want to do. You want to keep repeating those steps until this chicken is done. About a half an hour, your chicken will be done. Okay, and that's all to it. This subscriber has been very faithful, and I'm happy to show her how to fry this chicken. Okay, and it's smelling amazing. Okay, guys, flip that over. I'm gonna let it cook up, and we'll check on it in another 5 minutes. Okay, making spaghetti and chicken today, guys. Okay, that bag bun. See the oven. All right, guys, I'm back. It's another 5 minutes. We're gonna flip it over. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. Come into it, cameraman. Go all the way into that chicken. This is Crisco oil that I'm using here, and it's just a little bit of it. So you figure, guys, another 5 minutes on this side, just like this. We come back and see where we're at. Okay? Look at that. Go down it all the way into. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Fried chicken, spaghetti, and a salad for dinner today, guys. All right. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm back. You're kind of going to get a 2-for-1 today, guys, because I am making fried chicken with spaghetti. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to save that one for last. I'm going to use this ragu sauce, and I'm going to put it into my spaghetti, and I'm going to have spaghetti. So I grind up this hamburger, guys. I'm using this spaghetti sauce. I'm going to put this into the spaghetti, put a little water in this jar to go along with it, and that's going to be my spaghetti along with my beautiful fried chicken today, guys. That's what I wanted you to see. So I'll be right back, guys, after I get ready to turn this. All right, guys. Our 5 minutes is up, and we're flipping our chicken again. We're flipping it over. And as you can see, you're getting that beautiful golden brown to your pinwheel. See that? So we're turning these over. And when I come back this time, guys, we should be taking these babies out, and you'll get to see these beautiful golden brown pinwheels. All right? All right, guys. That last twist on our chicken. Over. Pretty golden brown drumsticks. These are called pinwheels. Tell me what they call them in your neck of the woods. Wingdings, pinwheels. What do they call them? Okay, guys. All right. As you can see also, guys, got my spaghetti ready here. I'm going to take this chicken out, do my thumbnail, and you guys are going to see how awesome these legs are. All right, guys, I'm going to take them out. Coming out of the grease now with our little pinwheel. Just like this. Take all the grease off. I'm going to let these babies cool. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the inside. Okay, here they go, guys. They all out. Let them cool off, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, that chicken is still piping hot. I have lemon pepper. I want you to go all the way into that, camera, and you're just going to go lightly This is what you want to do, subscriber. And that will give you your lemon pepper taste on your pinwheels. Alright guys, if you like this video, go all the way in. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe today and give me that comment, subscribe, and a thumbs up. You guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.